Okay, so have you heard about the Laxmi Dental IPO? It's opening on Monday, and well, it seems like a pretty big deal.
Yeah, I've been doing a bit of reading about it. Apparently, they're trying to raise around 698 crore rupees, which is quite a substantial amount. It's interesting because they're not just some small dental supply company.
Right. So it's not just another random IPO, huh? I mean, I'm always a little skeptical about these things. So what makes him stand out?
Well, according to their RHP report, they're actually the only end to end integrated dental products company in India, at least as of March 2024. That means they cover everything from making crowns to clear aligners. It's like a one stop shop for dental products, which is pretty unique.
Interesting. So they're not just selling like toothbrushes and toothpaste?
No, they're way more specialized than that. They're involved with custom made crowns and bridges, clear aligners, pediatric dental products, and even the thermoforming sheets used to make those aligners. Think more along the lines of dental lab materials and products, not consumer goods.
Okay, I see. So who are they selling to exactly? I mean, is it just like dentists in India?
Well, that's the thing. They're also big in the export market. They supply dental labs, clinics, and dentists both domestically and internationally. They're actually the largest exporter among Indian dental labs, primarily serving the US and UK markets. So they've got a pretty wide reach.
Wow, that's impressive. So they're not just relying on the local market then. I guess that lowers their risk a bit.
Exactly. And they are also a preferred partner for a major dental service organization in the US with over 1,650 clinics. That gives them a pretty solid foundation in the global market.
So let's talk money. Is this market growing? I mean, are people getting more dental work done?
Actually, yeah, the Indian market for custom made crowns and bridges is projected to grow at a CAGR of 11.8% between 2023 and 2030. That's a pretty good clip. It's a lot faster than the global market, which is around 8%.
Wow, that's a really solid growth rate. So what about like those clear aligners that everyone's talking about?
Yeah, those are even more impressive, actually. The Indian clear aligner market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 23% during that same period. It's exploding right now. I mean, it's not just about vanity. More people are seeking treatment for teeth alignment, and clear aligners are becoming popular as they are more comfortable and less obvious than braces.
So like more people are choosing aligners over traditional braces, right?
Exactly. And it's not just adults. Even the pediatric dental crown market is growing significantly, projected to grow at 14.5% per year. So it seems like the dental market is booming across various segments, which is good for Laxmi Dental.
So what kind of products are bringing in the most money for them?
Well, it seems metal-free products like zirconia crowns and bridges are a big revenue generator. These account for a huge chunk of their dental laboratory revenue, both in India and in international markets.
Metal free, huh? That sounds a little fancy. I guess that's where the industry is headed.
Yeah, it's about aesthetics and biocompatibility. Also, they are selling more units of metal-free products, aligners, and crown products each year, showing strong sales growth. So that's a big plus.
Okay, makes sense. So where are they making all these things? Do they have like a mega factory somewhere?
They actually have 6 manufacturing facilities, mainly around Mumbai, with a couple more in other cities. So it's not a single mega factory, but several facilities handling different aspects of their production.
Okay, that sounds like a pretty solid setup. So have they been making money overall?
Well, their revenue from operations has increased by almost 20% in the last fiscal year. And even better, their profit for the year jumped from a loss to a significant profit. So they're definitely on an upward trend.
Okay, that sounds pretty good. So any downsides? What are the risks with this company?
Well, they do rely heavily on expanding their network of dentists and clinics. So that's a key factor. Also, most of their manufacturing facilities are in the Mumbai area, which could be a risk if there are any regional disruptions. And of course, they are exposed to international market risks like exchange rate fluctuations. So it's not all smooth sailing.
Okay, I see. So it is not a guaranteed win, that is for sure. I guess that's true of any company, right?
Exactly. They're using the IPO proceeds to pay off some debt, invest in their subsidiaries, and buy new machinery. So it seems they're focused on growth, which is a positive sign for long-term investors.
So it looks like it will be interesting to see how they do after the IPO, right?
Absolutely. I mean, the IPO opens on January 13th and closes on the 15th, so people can start applying then. The listing is expected on January 20th. It will be interesting to see how it all plays out.
Okay, that's a lot to take in, Seems like a complex business, but also with lots of potential.
Yeah, it's like they're riding the wave of growing awareness about dental health and the shift towards more advanced treatments. So, it could be a good opportunity for investors, but as always, do your research and consult with certified experts before making any decisions.
Right. I mean, it always pays to be a little cautious, right? I guess we'll be keeping an eye on this one then.
Definitely, it's certainly an interesting space to watch, given the market growth. And Laxmi Dental seems well positioned to capitalize on it.